Alright, this is for my sprite system, and I literally have it set up just like our drawables at the moment. So I have a sprite list in the manager that goes through and draws every single one, but when it draws, it calls 2D draw instead of the regular draw for the game object. And then I have an inactive and active list in a sprite factory that's inside the engine, which goes and recycles sprites, but it still creates a new graphic object sprite. So it's actually not helping that much. So I need to go back and fix this. But this is the header for the sprite. Start from the top. So basically this is how drawable is set up also. So you go and send registration when you submit for registration to use sprites. Submit registration, and when it executes you do scene registration. And for that is literally same old, but we have the reference here. And then if we go into the deregister, or deregister executed does the scene deregistration. And right now, like I said for my sprite, I go and create a new graphics object sprite, which isn't good, and I'm recalling the get model and the get shader. Even though the user doesn't have to call it, I'm still making them call it. I'm working on trying to fix this. Then we have the sprite factory, which is the sprite factory, and it is a singleton. And for the sprite factory, for the create, I'm creating it like we normally do, and I'm removing it from the inactives and adding it in. So then what I want to do was return all the sprites at the end of every scene, so then they could be reused on the next scene with just different images. And then sprite factory, I go and delete them all. So then in my scene, we go and my scene in the beginning, we go and create it just so then it's started up. And then at the end here, I go and recycle all the sprites and terminate all of them. Just because right now it's not, I'm technically not recycling as I should, so I just terminate them all anyways. And then for the draw, so if we go into the sprite manager, not the scene manager, the sprite manager for spritables, and we go to sprite managers, this, right, for here. So this is the game object and it's drawing into a draw 2D, which happens to be the sprite demo object. So the box and the alien are graphic object sprites, and then my SPR alien is an actual sprite itself that I've made. So then the render automatically does the get current 2D cam without the user having to do anything and setting the world. And then also for the destructor, if we continue through, so then the bigger one is the one that is the spread at the moment that overlaps like it's supposed to. Hit exit, and it's being destroyed correctly from the spray factory. And then if I would want to go and show this, I also have the sprite showing up correctly with 2D draw in front of all the 3D objects because once again of the HUD here. So even it's broken right now, so I can keep going back, but the HUD will always stay in front no matter what.